So today we will study Reconnaissance. So there are two types of Reconnaissance: active Reconnaissance and passive Reconnaissance. So active Reconnaissance means we will directly connect with the target, and target have our IP address, or they have like knowledge like we are connecting with them or we are targeting with them. But in passive Reconnaissance we will connect with the target through an other search engines or something else, like okay, as we are searching about something like okay, let's see virus total, and I am searching for that like Dell.com, and I am searching for the subdomains. See, there are subdomains. See, this virus total will search, take this Dell.com so subdomain from there. So we are not directly connected with the these targets or anything. So we are searching from the virus total. So this is passive enumeration. And if we are running the tools like Nmap or other tools from our search engine, and that is active Reconnaissance. Okay, like if we run the Nmap, so it will send the packets or receive the packets to the target. Then we are directly connecting with the target like this. This is happening like this. Is the target? We are here. Target. So what happened? Like when we run the Nmap, then we are sending packets to the target directly. We are checking which port is open, which is not open. Okay, so we send the packet, we receive the packet. So target have the knowledge about us, like we are sending the packet, receiving the packet. So this is active Reconnaissance. Okay, like if we are searching from the other, like okay, search engine like Shodan. Okay, like I want to search about boomi.com, and I want to know like which port is open, which is not open, or a specific IP address. Then they will give us the all details. Sometimes we will get the IP address and other things. Okay, so see, so we will talk about this later. Currently, what this is in Shodan, what happened? This is working as a mediator like this. Shodan have all the details about this target, like what detail, which is any important detail, the Shodan will collect all of them and have in their database. So we can search them through the Shodan. So we are not connecting directly with the target. Shodan will collect them from the target, means the target have the information about the Shodan, not from us. So this is passive enumeration, and if we directly connect with the target, that is active enumeration. So subdomain enumeration. So why we will do the subdomain enumeration? To the Because when we do the bug hunting, some of the company have the subdomain in their scope. So we can hunt for the subdomain. Okay, let's see this web.com. Is there subdomain or not? Okay, these are out of scope. See, sprint.net, sprint.com. So see, we can try to find out the bug on subdomain also, like anything about.sprint.net, about.sprint.com, or anything.sprint.com. So we can hunt on any subdomain of these domains, sprint.net or sprint.com. Okay, this is out of scope. What is in scope? This tmobile.com. Okay, they put the out of scope above and in scope target below. Normally this is reverse. Okay, this is in scope, star.tmobile.com. okay, so this is in scope. Let's do the hunt for it. So let's create a directory for this. Okay, so we can hunt for this. So we can hunt for anything which is like anything before. See, this is all time happen with you. What happened? These programs don't give you any subdomain. They just give you a wildcard. Wildcard means anything before this. You can hunt for that domain. So we need to find out like what domain there are available, what is not available, which is live, which port is open there. So we can hunt for there. So we do the subdomain enumeration for this. Okay. So we can do the subdomain enumeration from these passive enumeration, virus total, and there are many other things. You can also do the from Sodan. Okay, Sodan. There is this is very good security trails. You can use the security trails, but you need to create an account on the security trails, and there are many, and you can use this. So you can use see binary grade, census. You can also use census, search sports, kios, DNSDB, GitHub, passive total, robotics. Okay, security trails, Shodan, Spice, URL scan, virus total, zoom I, cert.sh. It's typing cert.sh. You can also do the subdomain from there. You can use Subfinder, Sublister, Asset Finder, AMAS. So what happened? There are two things you can do this. You can run the Subfinder directly, one thing like this, and okay, I am running on tmobile.com and I want to save it in, let's say, Subdomain. So what is this command basically? Subfinder tool is try to find out the subdomains of tmobile.com, and after that this command do, save them in test subdomains file. So this is pipe, means we are running this other command on this command. Okay, so what this basically T will do, this will show us the show this result also and save them in a file. Okay, so this is very simple. But if you want to use, like, okay, you can say to me, okay, like, sir, then maybe we will left all these subdomains like this. See, there are many subdomains. So how we can cover them? The virus total subdomains, there are stolen subdomains, and there are security trails. Okay, let's see security trails also. See, there are subdomains, 8,380 subdomains are there. So how we can collect them? Like see, this is basic sub finder running, and how many subdomains we are getting? Let's see, we collected 2066 only. So how we can use these things? Like we can collect subdomain from the sart.sh, from Sodan, virus total, and security trail. So we can use the API. We can use the API of these search engines. Okay, for that you can use this blog. This is very good blog. So I already send you this link. So how you can use these APIs? Just go there one by one. See, go there one by one and collect all the APIs. Here, see, there are many tools like okay, you want to use the binary grade, binary edge APIs and sign up there. Okay, then go to this location, this, then you will find out a token and copy that, copy all of the token or API key and paste in this. There is a this provider.config URL. See, this is empty now. So you can use you can put your collected API or token in this, in these brackets. Just copy them and paste in there here. Like see, if you get the Bavigil API or token, paste it here, binary edge here, buffer over here, build with here, C99 here, Sensi, search spotter, as many. Like if you get only 2-3, then just paste them here, then you will get the better result. Like if you put the API, yeah, wait. So we can use this API key. So how we can use this? I will show you for only one, the security trails. Okay. So go to their account section, and there is an API key. See, API keys. So you can create or you can use this. See, just copy this. See, this is API key. If there is no API key, you can create this. See, testing. See, this is new API key is created. Copy this and go there, and you can use the VI editor or you can use any editor, gedit. So I'm using this gedit and put it in security trails. See, paste it there, just save it, close it. Let's see again. See, we successfully copied it here. Okay, so after this, if we run the tool again, then we will get the better result. Okay, so try to get as many API key as you can. So it is no need to get all the API key, but if you get the 10-15 API key, that is also good. Get the GitHub API key, Facebook API key, DNSDB, queues. See, I think there are already many. See, Census, search spotter, queues, GitHub, Intellex, Roblox, security trails, Sodan, Spies. I think there are 10 or 15 maybe. So there are enough. So you will get the better result. Okay. So after this, just run the tool as simple when we are running as previously. Same. So we are running the same command again. Let's see. We are getting the more result or less. Let's see this time how many sub. See, last time we get the 2000 and now we are getting 5694. Means like we used only one API key and we are getting 2 or 3 times more result. 2 or 3 times more subdomains. Okay. So try to use as many API key you can use. Okay. Next is Sublister, Asset Finder, and AMAS. So you can use to one by one them and collect all of them. This is Sublister, same. Uh, and if you use the API key previously, then don't use that again. Like that is enough for, because you will get the same result again. So you can use this command for save this in same file. So what this will do, this will save all the subdomains in same file. Means the -a means append. And if something, this will get something new, then this will append that into this test subdomains again. This is our file which we created previously. I think Sublister was not giving anything. So you can use Asset Finder, AMAS. Asset Finder. Okay, the typing. So I'm collecting all the subdomains in same file, test subdomains. Okay. See, we are just collecting subdomains, so we don't know they are live or not, they are running or not, that they have the servers or not, and maybe they most of them are dead. We are just collecting them, and after that we will check them that they are live or not. Okay, so next tool is AMAS. So this is very good tool. So you can use this in many cases, and we will learn more about this in next sessions. Today is like just basic. AMAS-H. So this have like intel, enumeration, visualize, track, and graphical database, like how you can show. For subdomain enumeration, we can use this enumeration. Okay, so you can use this command enum-h. See, if you want to know more about this, like how we can use this intel, how we can use this enumeration, so just AMAS intel-h, AMAS enum -h, amas viz -h, like this. So you can use these commands for this. See, this will help give you the like this. After that, you will get these options like how you can use them for enumeration or anything. So let's run this for subdomain enumeration. See, Amas is running, but this is take so much time. This will take so much time. So let's use other terminal. The next is, see, these are, we are getting directly subdomains, but if we want to do the brute forcing, so brute forcing means, let's see, we have a word list like this. See, I will show you the word list also. Suppose I'm closing. So you can use this word list for subdomain brute forcing, all.txt. See, so what we can use this word list. So what these tool will do, they will check one by one. Okay, this is resolve or not, this is resolve or not. So see guys, resolving is different thing and website live is different thing. So see, there are, I will use two terms all the time. Resolve and live. See, I will say like this domain is resolving and this domain is live. They are different. Resolving means there is sub, like okay, let's say test.t mobile.com. This is resolving, means there is a subdomain and this is available. Means there is a subdomain and this is available, but we don't know this is live or this is dead. So we need to find out. After resolving, we need to find out that like this is live or not. So see, we get, there are I think let's see, we get the 8,372 domains. They are resolving, but we don't know they are live or not. So we need to find out first, but we want to brute force also. See, these we are getting directly without brute forcing. So we can use the tool, other tools, pure DNS and DNS validator. With combination of these tools, we can brute force them. So what this tool will do, this will try one by one. Like okay, try this, then try to resolve this. Try this, then try to resolve this. And if this tool resolves successfully, okay, then okay, this trying this and do not resolve, trying this, do not resolve. And if trying this and this resolving this, then this will collect this, showing this okay, this domain is available like this. Like this. So we are getting domains one by one like this. So we can use also this technique, brute forcing. Okay, so for that you need to copy this word list on at your location. Just use the wget and paste this. See, just copy paste this. Search for this term like all txt jahadix and click on this click on row and copy paste this in Kali using duplicate. So see, I am fetching this subdomain, not subdomain, this word list. See, there is word list. So let's see how big this. See, it's very big. So we want to brute force this tmobile.com by using this word list. So how we can do this? So for that we can use the pure DNS and DNS validator. Okay, this pure DNS tool will use the resolvers. See, I already told you first this will put this part before this and try to resolve this. So where this resolve on the resolvers. So we need to supply the resolvers to this pure DNS tool. So how we will get the resolver? See, we need to supply resolvers, and where exactly I will show you. Root config pure DNS. See, resolvers. See, I already have some resolvers. So how you can collect them? So you can collect them using the DNS validator. So after installing, just use this command. Just copy paste. Just copy and paste on your terminal and just run. So it will collect like which resolver is live and which is okay for you, like which you can use. So see, there are checking. See, this is accepted. So we can use this. So we are collecting the resolver. So this is useful. Other are giving error. So these accepted are, we can use them. So we will supply these resolver to the pure DNS tool. So pure DNS will try to through pure DNS. What happened? In pure DNS, use the word list and these resolvers and try to use like, okay, which subdomain is resolving, and after that we can find out, okay, which subdomain is live or which is not. For that we can use the HTTPS. Okay, so guys, this pure DNS tool basically use the mask DNS. Okay, so if you are installing this, then you need to install the mask DNS first. Okay, if you are facing any error, then just install the mask DNS, then after that install the pure DNS. So see, everything is explained there. See, if you have any difficulty, then you can follow this GitHub. See how you can use this. There are user resolver. You need to set up the resolver. See, if a resolver.file exists in the current working directory, pure DNS will default is using it. Otherwise, if either config pure DNS resolver.txt or config pure DNS resolver trusted. So see, as you can have this file or you have this. So you need to just put your content in this. So I think we already have some. Let's see. See, we have this file resolvers.txt. Let's see how many resolvers we have. See, we have some resolvers. So we can copy this resolver.txt config pure DNS in this file. So you need to copy this resolver.txt file to this root.config.puredns resolvers.txt location. Okay, so this is copied there. After that, see, first you need to run the DNS validator, and after that we get the resolver. We can run this pure DNS. So let's see the pure DNS. See, there are two options: pure DNS, resolve, domains.txt, and other is brute force, word list, domains. See? So we want to this brute force. Pure DNS, brute force, we have the word list already, all.txt, okay, and we have the domain name. So let's try to run this. Pure DNS, and we have the word list, and domain name is see. So this is you using this, and we are brute forcing this by using this. So you can see mode is brute forcing, and where we are brute forcing, tmobile.com. Word list is all.txt. This is the word list we are using. See, this is the word list we are using for brute forcing. Okay, resolvers, we already set it up the resolvers through this DNS validator. Okay, and this is rate limited. And okay, if you want to use on other more domains, so you can use the -d like this, or you can also use this -d option. If you want to use on like 3-4 subdomains, if you want to like see, like see, currently we have only tmobile.com, or maybe you have the dell.com, tesla.com. So if you want to run on 3 target, then you can use this option -d. See, -d domains.txt. So this is the file where you need to save the whole target and -d, then same command. Okay, so and see, I think we have many subdomains now. So after running the brute force, we get some subdomains. See, we found 1085 valid subdomains. So we can just copy paste them in our file. Just paste it anywhere. Let's see how many target we have. Now we have 9457. Let's see, Amas is still running. Yeah, see, Amas is still running. So Amas is very slow tool. So let's run it in the background. Okay, it's okay. So we discussed about the DNS validator, pure DNS, and so let's alt DNS. What this will do? Alt DNS is also, you can say, same, but little bit different. So this is like permutation or combination things. So what happen? This will use a words. See, this is words. There are some words, very important words, like basic words. Most of the time you can see these words in website. So let's see, if you want to check, so maybe these subdomains have the subdomain of their domain. See, we can test this. Maybe this dev.lab.tmobile.com. So we want to search more depth. So you can use this old DNS. So this will put all these words before this. Before this, and after that we can use this pure DNS. What this old DNS will do, this will like see, we are using the subdomains. See, we have already subdomains, and this is words, these words, and this will put all the words before them. After that, we can use this pure DNS. See, we don't know they are. See, let's see. For example, we get this. Okay, and through this permutation and combination, we put this. We have three. See, so this tool will do this, like use all these words before these subdomains, like this. But we need to find out like which is resolving or which is not. For this, you can use the pure DNS. So this command for resolving, you can use this this resolve. So pure DNS resolve and domains.txt. So just use this. Okay, other is Reconnected W. So this is very good tool. So this will have the all the subdomain, not subdomain, all the tools. This tool have all the tools, which is important. So you can use this single tool. I think this have more than 100 tool like Subdomain, Asset Finder, AMAS, HTTPX, Pure DNS, DNS Validator, everything. So this tool have everything. You can select everything. So you can use this Recon FTW, but this is very heavy tool. So you need to use it on the VPS. So in previous session we already discussed about the VPS. So you can use the AWS VPS, DigitalOcean VPS, or other like Linode services other. So you can use see here. I also using this VPS. So you can use this on that. See, which this tool is very heavy. If you run this on your normal system, so maybe your system will lag, or you cannot do anything after running this. Okay, and very maybe your ISP block you, because this will run the permutation, combination, brute forcing, everything. So maybe your ISP block you, and your internet will shut down for some time, and your router will shut down. Means your router won't work for some time. So you need to restart your router. So for installing this, very easy. Just git clone this like this, copy, go to this Recon FTW, copy, and create any folder. So mostly for installing tool, I created opt folder. Go to opt and git clone this like this. Git clone this. Okay, but there is already this is exists. So it's saying okay, this is already there. So just I'm going there, cd. So after that you need to type this install.sh. Okay, and this will install everything for you. So try install this Recon FTW on. Okay, this is not root. So first you need to install this on your VPS, then try to run it there, because see, it will take time. Maybe it will take 12 hour, 20 hour, maybe 2 days. So see, it is not possible for us to like run our PC for 24 hour or 2 days. So you need to run this Recon FTW on the VPS in the background, and I will show you how you can use this. When we do the hunting, I will show you how you can use this Recon FTW in background. Okay, I'm currently just showing you the tools only. So this is all about, okay, let's first open this. So the reconnected W, how you can use this. See, for enumeration, see, perform full recon without attack. So we can use this recon after W hyphen D and R. Or for subdomain enumeration, see, L S L. Okay, we need to supply a file domain. So see, Amas is running. See, Amas is started. Amas enum. See, we previously run this command. So this will run all the tools one by one. First, this will start from the passive. Then it will do the active. Then it will do the brute forcing. So just same scenario when we do the, like, see, when we started this passive enumeration, virus total, security trails, like this. After that, this will do the active enumeration, and after that this will do the brute forcing, same this pure DNS validator, all this one by one. So let's
Does this tool Recon W has the
so after that, see, we find out the subdomains. So we need to find out how many subdomains are live. Like, see, we find out, okay, this domain is resolving, but we don't know, like, this subdomain is live or not. For that, we can use this httpx. See, it is not possible to test every subdomain, okay, this is live or not. Okay, what happened? So let's see that we can use simple httpx and save them in a file. Let's say live sites. So this httpx try to find out which subdomain is live and which is not live. So we just run it simple. It's started. So it will take some time. Okay. In the meantime, we can learn this katana. So katana means, okay, we want to find out the URLs of any website. Okay, we find out, okay, we will hunt on this. Okay, we did the subdomain enumeration, we did the resolving, we did the brute forcing, we did everything, and finally we find out, okay, this is, we think, okay, this is interesting subdomain and we need to hunt on this. So first, you need to find out the URLs, like how many URLs are there, maybe like something interesting URL or not, what URLs are there, login page is available or not, admin page, maybe you will find out admin page. So for that you need to run the katana. In katana we can see this is we are getting the live websites. So this is running. In the other terminal we can run the, let's say we need to find out. So okay, there is no, let's say what is style.com actually. Okay. Is there typing mistake? No. Okay, not cat, it's echo. Echo. So this is, see, trying to get the URLs. See, we are getting the URLs. This JS file, CSS, they see index.html, resource library.html, see accessibility. So maybe we will get any interesting things. How we will try to find out the interesting, we will discuss in next session. But currently we are running just tools and how we can use this. Okay. See, we are getting URLs, many URLs. See. So we can use Katana for finding the URLs, and other is Wayback URLs. So we can also use the Wayback URL. So what is this Wayback? Wayback means, see, all sites are not same as, see, this site is looking this, but see, they are always have the developers and sites are always changing. See, currently they are showing something here, but maybe 1 or 2 months before they are something different here, because they have the developer and they have changing their sites every day according to their need. So we need to find out like what type of changing they are doing. So you can use the Wayback Machine for this. Or we can use this Wayback URLs. I think our system maybe get stuck, so I am closing this for now. See, we already run many tools, and Recon TW is also running there, so I am closing this for now. So see, my system is very good, so because I am running. Otherwise, see, do not try to run all these things on your system. So you can use this VPS. Run all these things on your VPS. Okay. See, we get the 9,857, 10,000. See, we are getting the more and more flow through this. Otherwise, see, last time we are getting only, I think, how many subdomains we get through this our enumeration? See, only now 9,000. But through this, see, we already get this 10,000 in this. See, even now this is doing the brute forcing. So Wayback URLs. So Wayback URLs try to find out the old URLs. So same as previous, just so this will try to fetch the old URLs, and if you find out the which URL is live, then just use the HTTPX, and this will give you only live URLs. So we discussed this Katana, Wayback URL, HTTPX, Neolux, puff. So what happened? We run the Katana, so we get the URL. But see, sometimes we want to brute force this URL also. So maybe we will get some interesting. For that, we can use this puff. So this is the puff. You can also use the double star, W fudge. There are many tools. You can use any tools. So I use this most of the time puff. So this is fast and good tool. So this is, you can search on the internet. This is fast fuzzer written in Go. So this is also very easy. Just say git clone. This is, I think last time this is in Go. git clone, yeah, you can use this Golang. See, use this for installation, copy paste. And for brute forcing, very simple. See, if I want to brute force any, let's say, I think Dale will block me. Okay, let's say, I'm just testing. See, first you need to copy your word list. I think we already discussed this, which word list we need to use. So we need to use the word list accordingly for brute forcing the URL. We need to use the word list according to the technology. We already discussed this. Okay, so you can set up your word list. So if you don't have any technology, then use this. Use this content discovery word list. This is also Jahadik's word list. Jahadik's content discovery, let's say. Jahadik's word list, content discovery. For brute forcing the, so just copy paste this. Just wget this. See, I already have this. So let's say I want to fudge Dale or anything like, let's say, see, -u, that is the URL. Okay, you need to put the fudge where you want to. What happened? Okay, content discovery. Okay, content discovery. There are two word lists. Content discovery all. See, now this is running. So this will try one by one. Okay, this is available or not. Admin is available or index.php is available or not. This will check all these words one by one. So this is, see, there is this is available or not. This is XML is available or not. This is available or not, one by one. This will check all of them one by one. And if it is available, then this will show this here. Okay, we can also use the regex in this. Like, okay, maybe a website is showing you like many results same, but they are not interesting. So you can use the regex, like, okay, these regex. See, this there are two regex. They are very useful. This filtering, filter by character or filter by length. Hmm. This, okay, this is filter by status code. Okay, most of the time you can use this filter by size of the response and filter by amount of line, FL, filter by code. See, if you don't want to see the 301 302, then hyphen fc 301. And if you don't want to see the, like, okay, don't show the like 90 character word, so you can use this response size hyphen fs. This is word size. Like, if you want to filter by word size, like how many 3 word there, then you can filter it. How we can use this, I will show you when we do the hunting. Then you will understand more, like, okay, how we can use these all of option one by one. So I will show you this when we do the hunting. Okay, next is burp crawling, and all about, we already discussed all this before. Some program will tell you, okay, like, you can also only go with five requests per second. So you can use this rate, means this will send the This will brute force with only that rate limit. Okay, where that is rate. Yeah, this rate limit. If you want to set like how many requests per second you want to send, so you can set up it to 5, 10, anything. So this will send accordingly. Okay, I will show you. Let's say a program tell you, okay, you can use only 5 requests per second. See, this is sending 5 requests per second, 5 requests per second. See, okay, we are getting garbage data here. See, my screen is visible. So see, we are getting garbage data, but this size is 195, 195, 195. So we don't want to see this size. See, size 195, 195. So for this, we can use this -fs 195, means we don't want to see this. -fs 195. So we are doing rejects. So this won't show. See, now there is no garbage data. So we are doing filtering. See, last time we are saying this garbage data, our screen is filled with this. So you can also use this word, filtering by word. For word, you need to use the -fw, or for line -fl. So see, these options are here. See this -fl filter by the amount of line, -fs filter by the response size, or -fw by the word response. So currently we use this filtered, see, matcher, see, filter. So response size filter 195. We use this. So burp crawling and this asset node we already discussed. This is all about today.